Pros and cons of stainless steel kitchen cabinets. Dear friends, stainless steel kitchen cabinets have been gaining popularity in recent years due to their sleek and modern appearance. While they offer several advantages over traditional kitchen cabinets, there are also some drawbacks to consider. In this video, we will examine the pros and cons of stainless steel kitchen cabinets to help you decide if they are the right choice for your home. Pros of stainless steel kitchen cabinets. Durability. Stainless steel is one of the most durable materials available for kitchen cabinets. It is resistant to scratches, dents, and stains, making it an excellent choice for busy kitchens. It is also resistant to heat and water, which means it will not warp or crack over time. Easy to clean. Stainless steel is easy to clean and maintain, which is important in a kitchen where spills and messes are common. Simply wipe down the cabinets with a damp cloth to remove any dirt or grime. Stylish. Stainless steel has a modern and sleek look that is perfect for contemporary kitchens. It pairs well with a variety of materials, including wood, granite, and marble. Eco-friendly. Stainless steel is a sustainable material that can be recycled at the end of its life. This makes it an eco-friendly choice for homeowners who want to reduce their environmental impact. Cons of stainless steel kitchen cabinets. Expensive. Stainless steel kitchen cabinets are more expensive than traditional wood cabinets. The cost can be a barrier for some homeowners who are on a tight budget. Fingerprints. Stainless steel cabinets are prone to showing fingerprints and smudges. This can be frustrating for homeowners who want their kitchens to look clean and polished at all times. Dents and scratches. While stainless steel is durable, it is not completely immune to dents and scratches. These blemishes can be difficult to remove and may require professional help. Noisy. Stainless steel cabinets can be noisy when opening and closing. This may be a problem for homeowners who have a kitchen that is open to the rest of the home. Conclusion. Stainless steel kitchen cabinets offer several advantages over traditional wood cabinets, including durability, easy maintenance, and a modern look. However, they are more expensive and prone to showing fingerprints and smudges. If you are considering stainless steel kitchen cabinets, weigh the pros and cons carefully to determine if they are the right choice for your home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.